Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how we can add a video background to Squarespace. So inside Squarespace, in order to add a video background, click on Edit, come to the section which you want the video background to be on, click on Edit section, click into Backgrounds, and then come into the Video section. Here, upload the video either from YouTube or from a file or from your library. I'm just going to upload a file here of a video I downloaded. So I'm just going to let that video upload and I'll show you when it is uploaded. And after a couple of minutes, the video is uploaded. As we can see, it already has started playing. So further than that, what we can do is we can switch some settings here. We can switch the background width. We can have it be set instead. So it is set like that. I like to have it at full beat, so let's just do that. We can also add filters to it. For example, let's add this. Let's also check the brightness. So blur. And you can see that does some different things there. Also, you can also change the playback speed to either be 1x or more or even less. And finally, you can also add a mobile fallback image, which basically is a fallback protection. So if the video doesn't work on your mobile or in mobile browsers, it will instead be an image showcasing. So I always recommend actually adding that just for a safety measure. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, the links are down below. And as always, have a great day.